From the racetrack to the open road, Honda's ultimate superbike is here. The CBR1000RR-R Fireblade, crafted with MotoGP DNA, engineered for pure domination. Under the fairings lies a 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, roaring with 214 horsepower and 113 Newton meters of torque. An aluminum frame keeps it light and agile, while dual 300mm discs with ABS deliver precision braking. Every rev is a symphony of speed. Every corner, a masterclass in control. This machine shares its soul with Honda's RC213V MotoGP bike. Bore and stroke dimensions, aerodynamics, and materials, all inspired by the world's fastest racing machines. Proven in the Endurance World Championship, the Fireblade SP shows unmatched stability, balance, and endurance. It's not just a superbike, it's a MotoGP weapon adapted for riders who dare. Against rivals like the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R and Yamaha R1, the Fireblade accelerates sharper, cuts cleaner, and holds steadier at blistering speeds. Its advanced electronics suite, traction control, wheelie control, and customizable riding modes gives riders both freedom and safety. And with Honda's legendary reliability, it outlasts European competitors with lower maintenance and higher trust. The Honda CBR1000RR-R Fireblade, engineered for champions, perfected for riders. On the track or the street, it's not just speed, it's supremacy.